Hey y'all, it's Brittany if you don't know my name. Just being a little weird today. It's a Saturday. I don't normally record on Saturdays, so I'm a little off my game. I'm supposed to be watching my game right now. But anyways, okay, so we got a package from Brixy, I believe is how you pronounce it. I'm gonna try to hide my address. Anyways, okay, let us open it. Let us pray. Anyways, let's open it. And inside is another box. Okay, so not only is the packaging really cute, but this is also supposed to be Better Bar, Better Planet, so it's like all natural stuff. And with all the things that I have been going on with, I've been trying to come across things that are more plant-based. So that is what we're going to get into. Here it goes. Your new clean routine has arrived. Exceptional hair and skin doesn't have to come in a plastic bottle. Beauty conscious, mindful made, and planet friendly. And then you get the 3 different things. This is the conditioner, shampoo, and then the body wash. I thought I said body wax. I was like, what? Anyways, okay, so you get those 3. They have a scent that, like, it's not good or bad. Like, it's not like, oh my god, this is the best thing I've ever smelled. But it's not bad, but it's like a scent that keeps drawing you in. Anyways, okay, so, oh, and then it says, 1 bar lasts 2 to 3 times longer. This box displays at least 8 plastic bottles of hair and body, and then it says please recycle me. That is really cute. I love like every like detail of that, and I'm probably just gonna keep the box because I really love things that are easy to be putting stuff in. So I decided just to use the box for my liquid eyeshadow. Okay, so this is the Brixy, I think that's how you pronounce it, shampoo, and then this is coconut vanilla. I think that's what I think these are all, yeah, all of these are coconut vanilla, and that's what I'm smelling. I'm like, I smell something, it's not good or bad, like, it's just a scent that's like, I smell it. Anyways, okay, this is what it looks like, and then this is just the shampoo one, and then so I'm going to show you what I'm also going to read, but this is plastic free, palm oil free, vegan, and then these are going to be the same for each one, but then it says, I guess this is the animal, like no animal cruelty, and then this is eco-friendly, I guess is what it says. This is all the ingredients. Use it. I just want to make sure that way, like if you're also trying to get into like plant-based stuff, that you can read all the stuff and pause it and do whatever you need to in order to research everything about it, because I know that it's very important to me and I'm trying to get it back into doing everything good. Let's go to the bathroom. These are so aesthetically like pretty and everything. I don't know. I'm a sucker for packaging. Alright, so hopefully you'll be able to see me. I got the bathing suit on, so that way. But we're gonna wet the hair and then fall over. And with the shampoo bar, they definitely are different colors. Like this one kind of looks like a pink color compared to the body wash, which is purple. This is new to me, so I'm gonna try to just like put it on my hands and then rub it in, because I see some people doing this, but I don't think that will really get in there. So we're just gonna wash the hair like this. Again, this is different from what I'm used to, like with the, normally this is what I use, the Nexus stuff. So, which that is really good, but I want to see more natural things are better, being that I've been trying to switch to more natural things with all the P2S and all the stuff. So let me get this all lathered up and then I'll come back. What the shampoo is looking like, it definitely does lather in your hair, so that way you're not like feeling like you're like you can scrub and you can see all the like but anyway, so it's not like, oh, it's not lathering or it's not giving you enough soap. Like you can squeeze out and see that there's soap in there and everything. We're gonna rinse out now. And then you see that the soap's coming out and everything too. So that it like leaves it where it's like slick and everything, and then that it washes out like really easily. So okay, we're gonna, because like sometimes when you have normal shampoos, they don't wash out very easily. So alright, we're gonna go in with the conditioner. It's stuck in the package. Okay. And they are different colors, so let me hold them up. So
This is the conditioner and it's more square, and then this is the shampoo where it's more round on the feet. And then you have your body wash that's purple. So, alright, conditioner is this one. This is the only one that smells so far like coconut. The other ones don't have a bad smell, they just don't really have too much of a smell at all. So, I don't know. Alright, let's just be weird for a minute and just like rub the bar on our hair. This one was more like the coconut oil, I feel like. So it's, I think that's why it's like more, it's got more of the coconut in there to condition your hair. But let me get it. So this one I kind of have to, because it's not really like soaking up or anything. So I'm just, alright, while we wait for the conditioner to do its thing, we're going to go in with the body wash. And then just put it all over your body. Okay, I wanted to see what it would look like if I like scrubbed it on here. So we're gonna scrub it. If you like using these little things, so okay, definitely you're seeing the soap, and then you see that it definitely lathers up and it leaves the body feeling clean and everything. So I'm still just letting the conditioner soak in and do its thing. We'll wash out the conditioner. Okay, about to blow dry my hair. Alright, I'll finish and then I'll come back so that way y'all don't have to watch the whole thing. Okay, blow it dried out, and now time to just brush through. Okay, so here is everything blow dried and brushed, and everything feels really nice, really slick, really soft, and I don't know. And then like even the brush, it just goes right through. But there goes everything. So I don't know, I'm gonna continue to use the shampoo, the conditioner, and the body wash, and then I will try to keep y'all updated maybe in a month if I can remember, just see how things are working. I have PCOS and psoriasis and all this kind of stuff that's going on, and I've been trying to do so many things natural. I've changed my toothpaste, now the hair shampoo and body wash. I've changed different vitamins. I've gotten on the thyroxine, so I'm just trying to have everything work in favor. So I will try to keep you updated in about a month if I can remember. So y'all hold me accountable. But alright, thanks for watching. Thank you to Brixy, I believe is how we pronounce that. Okay, I think that's how we pronounce that. But thank y'all for offering me this so that way I could hopefully get everything in gear and show y'all something new if y'all are trying to also go plant-based and vegan and stuff like that. So check them out. Honestly, I like it so far. I've been using that hand wash almost for 4 or 5 days now, but yeah, so bye y'all.